we have a huge problem that we need to tackle ASAP. I mean, ooh, look at this. So what I like doing is grabbing a hijab and then kind of folding it like this and doing another one of those. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Sincerely Henna. For those of you who are new, my name is Henna and I do videos on lifestyle tips, travel vlogs, nursing recipes, and everything in between. So if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do. So for today's video, I am actually so excited because I'm going to be organizing my hijabs, and this is so long overdue, you guys. I've been just kind of throwing all of my hijabs since I became a hijabi when I was like 13 in a depressing pile in a laundry basket, or I've just been like kind of stuffing it into a drawer. And I know I'm not the only one, you guys know you do it too. So I actually got some organizers from Ikea that I'm so excited to show you guys. It is super inexpensive and it's such a great way to organize your hijab. I'm the type of person that needs to visually see what I need to wear for the week. As you guys can see back there, I hang up my clothes for the week, I hang up my scrubs for the week. I need to know what I'm gonna wear for the week. So this hijab method is super efficient. It helps you kind of see all of the shades that you have, all of the patterns, all of the materials in one area. It like minimizes the amount of space it takes in your closet. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay you guys, before I jump into organizing all of my hijabs, I just wanted to share this beautiful hijab that I got from Bella Scarves. You guys, it is the most comfortable hijab that I own. I grab it anytime I run errands or I want to dress up or dress down any outfit. It's literally the best and most comfortable hijab. It's a modal hijab and it comes in so many different colors, but this one is the one in tan, and I like it because it is a beautiful caramel warm color, which I need in my life all the time. So let's get back into this video. So this is the Ikea hanger that I was speaking about. It has 18 holes, which means you could put your hijabs in each of these holes. This can store 28 because of the little extra holes that there are. So you could literally put in as many as you want. And in some you can even put double. So this is super inexpensive, like I said, and it was 10 to 15 bucks at Ikea. I know there are similar ones at Amazon, so I'll link that down below as well. So here is the mountain of hijabs that I had over the years. It just kept accumulating and accumulating, and this is the end result. So we're gonna have to definitely work with this. I'm pretty sure I need more than just 3 Ikea hangers. I might have to get more. As you guys can see, we have a huge problem that we need to tackle ASAP. I mean, ooh, look at this. Let's get started. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add the scarves to the organizer. So what I like doing is grabbing a hijab and then kind of folding it like this and doing another one of those and just kind of weaving it through the hole here. So that's what the first one looks like. And then I like to get a shade that's similar to that color. So the next one is going to be a very similar shade in the same row. And I kind of just do the same thing. I don't really care if they are different patterns. What I do care is about the shade, because when I choose my hijabs, I go by color more than shade. This is a beautiful hijab from Bill's collection. I've had it for years and it's my absolute favorite. So I did the same thing with this. Hey guys, we are officially done. I absolutely love it. I think it looks so nice on the hanger, so organized, and I'm so excited to have it up in my closet. I think what I'm going to do is have it on my clothing rack every week, and depending on what I want to wear that week, I'll have my hijabs lined up as well. It was super easy to do, literally took like 5 minutes, so if I can do it, you guys can do it too. And I actually wanted to show you that I started to do the grays, the blues, all of the cooler tones on this hanger, and then I started working on like the reds, the greens, basically vibrant colors that I have on this hanger. So as you can see, it turned out so well, and I'm so excited for you guys to do it with your hijabs as well. Okay guys, I just wanted to close this vlog out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this organization method useful. If you did, comment down below. If you guys have other ways of storing your hijabs, let me know so that we can all kind of learn from each other. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!